Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to fix Shopee Error Checkout S13, and I will give you some method how you can fix this issue. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, if you are in Shopee.ph or Shopee.any kind of platform, just go over here, select a product, and I'm going to select a product and I will intend to go in the checkout page. So just copy it, select it, and then click on add to cart. Once I click over here, then I will go and check this out, and I will select one and I will visit on the checkout. And now you can see that this is our checkout platform. If you are getting S30 problem in your checkout page, then you just need to be some method or step follow to fix the issue. And in this video I'm going to give you quick fixes for error S30, and it is working in 2025. First of all, switch to different payment method like tap change payment method, trying using Shopee Pay or credit or debit card. Like you can choose cash on delivery also. So you just need to be change your payment method if you are facing this issue. Then you just need to be remove invalid or promo code. Like if you are using a voucher code, then remove it and try check it out again. Then you will find out that your checkout page is working. This is the simplest way. Next will be update the Shopify app. If you are using this app in your phone, just update your Shopify store by going Play Store or iOS Apple Store and click on update. This way you can fix this problem. Or if you are facing this regularly, then go and check out your cache page. You just need to be clean your cache. This way you are allowed to use Shopify checkout perfectly. Next, if you're again facing this problem, then go log out and log in again. This will be the simplest way. You can try it on your error, it will be fixed. Then try checkout from a different device or browser. Use Shopee web version on Chrome, or trying checking out from another phone or tablet. This helps rule out device specific glitch. Or you can, and another problem happen, that will be if you are using VPN. So always avoid VPN or location spoofing. Turn off any VPN or proxy apps. VPNs can trigger security flag in Shopee's fraud deletion system, causing the S30 error. And last but not in the least, that will be contact Shopee support team. They will fix your issue as fast as possible. So this potential method will work for Shopee S30 error. You can try it if you're facing this problem. I hope this video was knowledgeable for you. If you think this was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.